Xiaomi is gearing up to announce the Xiaomi 17 Ultra this month. Between December 15th and December 25th, we already see, for the first time, a real Xiaomi 17 Ultra has been photographed in the wild. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra, concealed in a protective case, suggests the upcoming phone will feature a triple rear camera setup. While this may seem like a step down from the Xiaomi 15 Ultra's quad camera setup, the change might not be a downgrade after all. The images show the photography kit in two variants, beige and black. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra's cameras include 50MP OmniVision OVX10500U main camera, 200MP Samsung S5K HPE telephoto camera, 50MP OmniVision OV50M or Samsung S5K JN5 ultrawide camera, a 50MP OmniVision OV50Me selfie camera. One past rumor claimed it would support a 6.85-inch LTPO OLED screen with 2K plus resolution and symmetrical bezels on all sides, bezels which will be thinner than any iPhones. Xiaomi 17 Ultra, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB UFS 4.1 storage. DCS stated that the Xiaomi 17 Ultra will have two versions, and while both will have camera setups with the same sensor and lens technologies, the higher-end model will come with some revolutionary imaging features. The 3C certification further confirms that the Xiaomi 17 Ultra will support 100W wired charging as the Xiaomi 17 and Xiaomi 17 Ultra that Xiaomi offers globally, just like the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and smaller Xiaomi 15 before it. Also expected to hit the market in early 2026, pricing speculated to start around 6,000 yuan. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.